Hi guys, how are you today? Today I'm here again with a new thing. So that is we are going to unbox. Basically, I was facing difficulties in vacuuming my car. Uh, when we go to oil stations and stuff, we are not satisfied what they are doing up here. They are not cleaning at all. Still, some residues we can find laying around in the car. So that's why to satisfy full whole cleaning, cabin cleaning basically. So I have bought a vacuum cleaner. So I have searched pretty much online for everything for the better pricing and stuff. I found out that we need a HEPA filter with the steel wiring on. If you will buy a HEPA filter with the paper one, then it will not last long. But steel HEPA filter will last longer than like literally 21 paper HEPA filters. So another thing we need to notice is like we need a copper motor rather than an aluminium motor. Aluminium motor is basically cheap, which gets spoiled pretty easily. So we need a copper motor in any way because it's expensive as well than aluminium motor, and its heating capacity is very high. So and it's durable as well. One another thing as well, like in the little vacuums which we use in daily wise in the car, they are having a motor like less than 3.5, which is very small. So and greater than that is very large as well. So 3.5 is pretty much okay, so that it can make a suction power of 4500 kps. So it's 4500 is pretty much okay. If you will go with the greater power, then it can damage your car's battery, and if you go lower to that, that is another factor that it might not work in your car. So today we have bought a vacuum cleaner. Let me show you guys like what it is, and it is having a power of 4500, and it is very cheap on Amazon with a great rating. So here we are. This is the Bergmann stunner. So that is a car vacuum cleaner, and it is quite cheap on Amazon, and it is having a high rating on Amazon as well, and it cleans pretty much like whole dust particles. Even it's a wet and dry as well, so you can clean your water and stuff along with it. So yes, and it's moreover its HEPA filter is washable. So if you think like the HEPA filter is dirty, then you can put that under tap and you can clean that up. So this is it. So let's begin with unboxing with that. So let's see what's inside and what's not. So firstly, it comes up with this pipe. So this goes inside your vacuum from one side, and this is another, and this comes up with another two joints actually. So this is the joint. This is for cleaning carpet and stuff. This is for seats, and this is for little large pipe, so that you can you can flexible your vacuum thing, so that you can do cleaning under the seats and stuff. So this is your vacuum. So you can see this is how it looks like. This is having little holes up here so that it won't get hot, and it is having one button with the light. It is on and this one is off. So this is the button to clean your this dust box. So easy plug and play system, and it comes with another fuse as well. That is another fuse which comes along with it, so that if one in the system, this one actually blows out, then you can replace it. So there is a screw, you can just open it up and replace the fuse. So let's talk about this vacuum cleaner, how it works. So just press this button and you can easily remove the bin. So there is a filter, you can see, and this is a motor with aluminium fan on. So make sure you should buy an aluminium fan rather than a plastic fan. So aluminum fan is having more suction power, and it's durable as well. So motor is copper 3.5, but fan is aluminum, which is having a good suction power. And another thing is HEPA filter. So this is over here. Let me take this one out. So this one is your HEPA filter. So you can clearly see it is having steel kind of wires, so and very minute wires covering. So this is very durable, and you can wash it anytime you want. So this is it. Once I will clean my car, I will put add on a video on this one as well. Thank you very much. Thank you. Very nice, powerful. It's very nice. You can see how fast it's taking everything away. There's a lot of dust inside. You see?